My name is Naila Niti. I'm a first year here at COA and I live in Collins. Collins House is the newest building on campus, newest residential building. This is its second year and it houses a little over 40 students. It is a shoes-off household. It has probably, I'd like to say, the most beautiful kitchen on campus. There's a bunch of stoves and dishwashers and sinks, and it comes with all the utensils and cutlery and everything that you need. In Collins House, we have a beautiful common room with a TV and couches and very comfortable chairs. We also have two washers and dryers to do your laundry, and as well as a wellness room to go when you need it. In Collins, there are 3 different types of dorms. There are doubles, which are the most common. There are a couple of singles on each floor, and also rooms, which are a bit larger for those that need it. There are 2 floors, and each floor has a bathroom with 4 toilets and 4 showers, as well as about 5 taps, I would say.